Look at the question number 10. The letters of English alphabet are written on cards without any repetition and are put inside a box. A card is randomly drawn from the box. The probability of getting an oval is, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ P of an event is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಓವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎ ಇ ಐ ಓ ಯು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ number of favorable outcome is equal to 5. So therefore the probability of getting oval is equal to 5 divided by total number of outcome. So total is alphabets to 26. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 by 26 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore probability of getting oval is 5 by 26. B is the correct option.